How's it going, YouTube? If you enjoy this video, make sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe, as doing all of that helps these videos out with the YouTube algorithm. This video is going to be about the cities that I have outlined: Cahokia, Centreville, and Alorton. These cities in present day are mostly sad-looking towns. However, the city of Cahokia has loads of history to its name. Highlighted on the map is the route that I generally follow for this video, and before I start the driving portion, I have attached a screenshot from Google Street View of the oldest continuously active Catholic parish in the United States. This is the original structure that was built in 1799, while the parish was founded in 1699. I do drive by the modern-day church in the video, but I failed to drive by the old standing log church that was built, so rather than interrupt the driving portion of the video, I just went ahead and attached it here. I do start the video on the far southwestern outskirts of East St. Louis. If you haven't seen my East St. Louis video, you should check that out. If you're unfamiliar with my videos, I do speed up my videos in order to show more in a less amount of time. You can always keep up with the real time that it takes me to drive in the lower left corner of the screen. Before we get to Cahokia, I do pass through Sauget. There isn't much to Sauget. It's mostly made up of old factories, warehouses, a sewage treatment plant that serves all of Metro East, a couple of nightclubs, and the St. Louis downtown airport. Yes, you heard that right, even though it's not in St. Louis and it's in a completely different state. And now we are in Cahokia. Today, Cahokia is home to 13,800 residents. The median household income is $29,000 per year, and 36% of the city's residents are living in poverty. Cahokia in recent decades has been following the trend of its neighboring Metro East communities, which includes East St. Louis. High crime rates, drugs, and poor leadership have taken over these communities. It's sad, but true. Directly on the left side of Highway 3 is the modern Church of the Holy Family. The original building that housed the Catholic parish is behind the building, and that's the screenshot that I shared with you towards the beginning of this video. The original building once again was founded in 1799, and the parish was founded in 1699. Cahokia was founded all the way back in 1696 by French Canadians as a Catholic mission. Over time, it blended in as being a suburb of St. Louis, which is on the other side of the Mississippi River. To go back even further than that, Cahokia is believed to be the name of an ancient city that is the oldest known in North America. The area is believed to have been founded by the Mississippian culture back in the year 1100, and the city reached its peak population 100 years after. At the time, that made Cahokia bigger than London. It is believed that the population was around 20,000. This ancient culture is believed to have built up to 120 mounds as well. A few of those mounds still exist today, several miles northeast near another Metro East city called Collinsville. That's also where the ancient city was located, as modern-day Cahokia is just named after the original. This ancient city is believed to have been completely abandoned by the year 1400. Flooding has always been an issue along the Mississippi River, and it's believed that a major flood is what made the Mississippians leave the area. Make sure to drop a like, as we all know that that's the most knowledge that you've gained all day. There's even more history to Cahokia, as I was mentioning a little in my last ramble. Modern-day Cahokia was founded by a group of French Canadians in 1696, long after the ancient city of Cahokia had been abandoned. Cahokia was once one of the largest French settlements in the country. After the French lost the French and Indian War to the British in 1763, the city declined and many of the French in the area moved to New Orleans and the surrounding area. Not only the French from Cahokia moved there, but most of the French that resided in settlements east of the Mississippi moved to the New Orleans area after losing the war. Since the decline from that event, Cahokia was able to grow again, most notably in 1960 when the population went from 794 to over 15,000. That was mostly due to suburban expansion, as it's in very close proximity to St. Louis. Modern-day Cahokia hit a peak population of nearly 21,000 in 1970, and today the population is back down to 13,800. Straight ahead is Cahokia High School. As you can see, they had the road blocked off, so I wasn't able to get closer. Among the most notable alumni is New Orleans Saints offensive tackle Teron Armstead. Armstead won the Saints Man of the Year award in 2019. We're almost out of Cahokia, but today the violent crime rate is 536 for every 100,000 residents, so that's not the worst. However, the property crime rate is double the US average. The rest of this video is mainly going to be about Centreville and Alorton. Both communities are different from Cahokia as they are on a different kind of struggle, more so like that of East St. Louis. Both cities have seen sharp economic declines over the years, along with high crime rates. Centreville is home to just under 5,000 people after hitting a 1960 peak population of 12,700. The median household income here is just $19,000 per year, and 46% of the city's residents are living in poverty. In 2017, the violent crime rate was 1,831 for every 100,000 residents, which isn't too far off from neighboring East St. Louis. The data shows that Centreville is one of the most poverty-stricken and crime-ridden cities in the state of Illinois. High schoolers that live in Centreville attend either Cahokia or East St. Louis, and that's a common trend among smaller Metro East communities to consolidate with other nearby bigger cities. Alorton's stats aren't too much different than those of Centreville's. Alorton is home to 2,000 residents, which is down from a 1970 peak population of 3,500. You might be saying to yourself how that's only 1,500 people, but that's just shy of half of the city's peak population. The median household income is $22,500 per year, and 50% of the residents are living in poverty. Honestly, it's just sad that these small communities like these have people living with these circumstances. It also doesn't help that Centreville and Alorton are in Illinois. As I've mentioned in all of my other videos regarding struggling Illinois cities, the property taxes in Illinois are higher than that of every other state besides New Jersey. Illinois consistently ranks as one of the worst states to do business in, which makes it easier for towns to fail and makes it harder for towns to have sustainable economic growth. Metro East as a whole saw a population of 700,000 in the 2010 U.S. Census, while today it's estimated to be down to 682,000. It's a good guess that most of Metro East residents that have left have gone to neighboring Missouri. Well, that's about it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe, as doing all of that helps these videos out with the YouTube algorithm. Also, don't forget to check out my other nearby Metro East videos that are on this channel. We'll see you next time. Peace!